This is a really nice little dresser to put pretty much anywhere in your house. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this dresser. Look how pretty the top of it is. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. We did have to assemble it. It did not take that long to assemble. It was pretty easy to assemble, actually. So it comes, of course, in a bunch of different pieces. Listen to that. It's got the nice, easy drawer slides. I like the little handles that it has on here. The drawers are a pretty good size. Like, you can fit quite a bit of stuff in here. If you were going to use it like next to your bed, you could have your top drawer be for all your things. You could store socks in here, maybe even blankets or something for your bed, maybe your sheets. If you put it next to your bed, you can even put this next to your couch and store like all your remotes and things up here, maybe some dog toys, little blankets. I like how quiet the drawers are and how easy they move. See how easy that is? And they have that slow close so they don't slam shut. That makes it nice. You see the little bit of detail on here. Like I said, we did have to assemble this. The assembly was actually really easy. I do think this comes in a couple different colors as well. It's very sturdy. Like, I have it sitting on a rug and I'm pushing it back. It's not shifting back and forth this way. So it's very sturdy, really cute. Love the color. If you guys are looking for a nice little dresser, end table dresser, next to your bed dresser, just a little mini dresser. Put some lamps on top of it. This is really cute. We recommend this.